Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Tech and Tips with King. In this video, I'm going to show how you can install and run Inkspace the 64-bit version PC software in your Android with using Winlator application. So without any wasting of time, let's get into this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install and run Inkspace PC software in your Android. The main motto of this video is to show you how you can install and run 64-bit PC software in your Android. So till the date, it's not possible to run any PC software which is the 64-bit in Android, but it's possible now with the Winlator application. So basically, Winlator is a Android emulator, Windows emulator application available for the Android. So I have in my previous videos I have shown how you can install and run this application, and I've also give the briefly introduction of this application. So same like the Exagear, this is also another Exagear. So same like the Exagear, this is also another emulator application available for the Android. While using this application, you can install and run any type of PC software in your Android. Maybe it's 32-bit or 64-bit. The very good thing of this app software, this application can run any PC software, maybe 32-bit or 64-bit. So everyone knows about the difference between the 32-bit and 64-bit software. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install and run the 64-bit software in your Android. So to run any 64-bit software in your Android, for this video I've specially taken Inkspace PC software. So basically, Inkspace PC software is a handwriting SketchUp software. If you draw anything, it will turn your drawing into SketchUp. So basically, that software is very useful. So in this video, I have selected the software 64-bit version to show you the 64-bit version of the software is perfectly working in Android with using Winlator application. So if you want to run any 64-bit software, first of all, you have to download and install Winlator application. How you can do that, you can search online. I have provided the download link in the description, and I've in my previous video I've already shown how you can download, install and run Winlator PC software. So as you can see in the screen, I've already installed it. And second thing, I have to download Inkspace PC software. So for this video, I've selected Inkspace 64-bit. As you can see in the screen, I have also provided the downloading in the description. So make sure to keep this file in the download folder after in your Android internal storage. As you can see, this is the internal storage, and this is the download folder of my Android internal storage, and this is the software. So as you can see in the screen, mention over here Inkspace 64-bit, and I'm using version 1.3.exe. So now make sure to enable internet. At any moment we can use the internet. So here the container, we have already created the containers. So let me just click on the play button. So as you can see in the screen, over here it will saying starting up. So here I have to wait until the desktop of the Winlator load in my Android phone. So as you can see in the screen, so let me just set up the camera and come back again. So as you can see in the screen, this is the desktop of the Winlator application, and this is the file manager. And as you can see in the screen, this is the mouse cursor, this is the start button. If you click back button, you will get the more options: the keyboard, input controls, toggle full screen, task manager, magnifier. So there are a lot of options over here. In my previous video, I've already explained about it. You can check out my previous video, and if you want to know about it, you can check it on the internet. So let me just open the D drive. So earlier I mentioned that I have to keep the Inkspace file in the download folder so I can access it in the Winlator application. So as you can see in the screen, this is all the files of my download internal storage. So I have to locate for the Inkspace PC software. So as you can see it over here in 64-bit version. So as you can see in the screen, this is the Inkspace PC software showing up over here, application. Now I'm going to double click on it. So as you can see on the screen, the setup file for the installation for the Inkspace has been started over here. So let me just click on the next. Click on the next. So it will going to take about 530 MB from your Android internal storage. So make sure you have enough storage in your Android internal storage. So let me just click on the next. Click on the next. Click on the install. So as you can see in the screen, the Inkspace 64-bit version has been installing over here. So here it will going to take some time. So I'm going to just fast forward this video and come back after it's fully installed. So as you can see in the screen, the Inkspace software has been successfully installed. So let me just uncheck the run in Inkspace. Let me just click to finish. So let me just minimize the file manager. Let me just click on the start button. So as I mentioned earlier, this Inkspace software is 64-bit. So just now we have installed the 64-bit software in Android. So as you can see, this is the software. So again, let me just show you. Let me just click on the start button. So let me click on the programs. In programs, as you can see in the screen, this is the Inkspace. So let me just open the software for the very first time. For very first time, it will going to take some time to open, but you don't need to worry. After a few moments for the using, it will going to work very fast. So just now I've opened the Inkspace software 64-bit version. 64-bit version softwares, so you can install it in Android. So it will taking some time to open. Software has been successfully opened up here. So here you can change the canva, dark, light. So let me just click on the solid white, and though there are a lot of features over here, Inkspace carbon, colorful. So let me just click on the save and click to thanks. Let me just click to new document. So as I mentioned earlier, the software is 64-bit version, so a very heavy software running over here. So in future upcoming videos, I try to make more videos on 64-bit version. If you want to install any software of the 64-bit, you can comment on this video. I'm going to make a video on it. So the main purpose of the making this video is to show you how you can install and run 64-bit version software, and this is also a video of Inkspace, how you can install Inkspace software in your Android. So as you can see in the screen, the software has been successfully opened up here. So there are a lot of features over here. And if you, as you can see, this is the editing I have done to just show you the software is perfectly working. And if you want to save this file, you can click on the save as. After clicking save as, it will going to ask you where to save, and you can select. So make sure you are selecting the D drive, because as you already know, the D drive is the download folder of our Android internal storage. So this is the D drive. You have to open it, and you can select the file type, which type of file you are going to save. So there are a lot of types of file over here: SVG, SVGS, PDF, portable document, HTML, EMF, AutoCAD file for the AutoCAD. So let me just save it into the PDF, and you can rename it by adding the name test file. So this is how you can save any file in your Android internal storage. So this is how you can save and you can edit. So there are a lot of features. Every feature is perfectly working. The software is perfectly working. So just now shown how you can edit and how you can save. And if you want to open any file, just click on the files and click on to open. After clicking open, you can search any file in your my computer D drive of your Android internal storage. So this is the D drive, and you can select any file from here and you can open and you can continue edit. And if you want to edit in this file, and you can, if you want to open any PC, you can just edit in this file, edit in this software in your Android phone anywhere at any time. Just save it in your Android and share that file in your PC, and you can continue edit. Or if you don't have PC, you can just use it as what you can, so you don't require any PC to do. You can continue file in your PC if you want, or you can make your fully edited file in Android. Every single feature of this software is perfectly working. Every single thing is perfectly working. Just now shown, the saving process is perfectly working, the opening process is perfectly working. You can enable keyboard, you can add text, you can do a lot of things over here. As you can see in the screen, using the software is very easy. Using this emulator is very easy. Just if you want to exit, just exit. You can use your Android phone as usual normally. If you want to continue using Winlator application, just click on this application and continue. You can do your editing. So let me just open the file which we have saved. So as you can see in the screen, as at first there is no file, and now as you can see in the screen, this is the file we have saved, testfile.pdf. so let me just open this. So as you can see, this is the file just we have edit in the Inkspace, the 64-bit version in Winlator application. So the saving is perfectly working. You can save it in Android, and here I can share that file, and I can also directly open it. So as you can see on the screen, this is the Inkspace 64-bit version software perfectly working in Winlator application. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video. If any question or problem, let me know in the comments. Thank you.